Hello, curious minds. Space is huge, and if we ever want to explore the stars, we need to go fast. I mean really fast. But what's the fastest spacecraft ever built? Let's find out. When we talk about space travel, it's not just about distance, it's about time. Imagine wanting to visit Proxima Centauri b, a potentially habitable planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump away at about 4.24 light-years. But even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would still take us over 4 years to get there. Now consider the Voyager 1 spacecraft, the farthest human-made object from Earth. It's been cruising through space for over 40 years and has traveled an astounding 14 billion miles. That's impressive, right? But hold on, at its current speed it would take Voyager 1 roughly 70,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. 70,000 years. That's longer than the entirety of recorded human history. That's why we need speed in space exploration. The faster we can go, the shorter the travel times, and the more we can explore within a human lifetime. Plus, faster spacecraft mean less time exposed to the harsh radiation and micrometeoroids of deep space. But getting fast in space isn't easy. There's no air resistance to slow you down, which is great. But there's also no air to push against, so you need powerful engines and clever tricks to speed up. Gravity is also working against us. The bigger the planet, the stronger the pull. That's why we use gravity assists, slingshotting around planets like a cosmic boost pad to gain insane speeds. It's a balancing act of physics and engineering. Alright, let's talk numbers. Humans have built some seriously fast spacecraft, but which ones hold the record? First up, the fastest crewed spacecraft, Apollo 10. Back in 1969, this mission hit 39,897 kilometers per hour, or 24,791 miles per hour, during re-entry. That's fast enough to cross the US in 5 minutes. Then there's New Horizons, the probe that gave us those stunning images of Pluto. It launched at 58,536 kilometers per hour, or 36,373 miles per hour, making it the fastest spacecraft at launch. But in deep space, things get even wilder. In the 1970s, the Helios 2 probe, designed to study the Sun, reached 252,792 kilometers per hour, or 157,078 miles per hour, a record that stood for over 40 years. And now, the reigning champion, NASA's Parker Solar Probe. Thanks to gravity assist from Venus, this spacecraft is traveling at a mind-blowing 635,266 kilometers per hour, or 394,736 miles per hour, fast enough to go from New York to Tokyo in under a minute. And the craziest part? Parker isn't done yet. It's set to break its own record by 2025. So how did Parker Solar Probe become the fastest spacecraft ever? It didn't just fire its engines and go, it had help from the biggest speed booster in the solar system, the Sun. Gravity is the ultimate cosmic accelerator. When Parker slingshots around the Sun, it falls deeper into the Sun's gravitational pull, gaining incredible speed, just like a skateboarder picking up speed on a half-pipe. But before diving toward the Sun, Parker first uses Venus as a stepping stone. By flying past Venus multiple times, the probe adjusts its orbit, getting closer to the Sun with each pass. Each time it swings by, the Sun's gravity yanks it forward, making it go faster and faster. Right now, Parker is moving at an incredible speed, but by 2025 it'll hit nearly 700,000 kilometers per hour, or 430,000 miles per hour. This technique, called a gravity assist, isn't just for Parker. NASA has used it for decades to save fuel and boost speed on missions to Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. Of course, flying this close to the Sun isn't easy. Parker faces temperatures over 1,377 degrees Celsius or 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, but its heat shield keeps it cool as it races through the Sun's outer atmosphere. Parker Solar Probe is the fastest spacecraft ever, for now. But can we go even faster? Could we one day reach other stars in a human lifetime? Right now, rockets rely on chemical fuel, but that's just not fast enough for interstellar travel. Scientists are working on next-gen propulsion systems that could break all speed records. One idea? Ion propulsion. It doesn't give a huge burst of speed, but over time, it builds up momentum, pushing spacecraft faster than chemical rockets ever could. Then there's nuclear propulsion, which could reach Mars in just a few months. Even more powerful designs like nuclear fusion rockets could take us to the stars. But if we really want to go fast, we might ditch rockets altogether. Solar sails, giant reflective sails pushed by sunlight or lasers, could potentially reach 20% the speed of light. That's exactly what Breakthrough Starshot wants to do. This project plans to send tiny spacecraft, powered by Earth-based lasers, to Proxima b, our closest exoplanet. If it works, we could reach another star in just 20 years. And then there's the ultimate dream. Warp drives. Instead of traveling through space, what if we could bend it? Scientists are actually studying how we might make this sci-fi dream a reality. So for now the Parker Solar Probe holds the record, but who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll build a spacecraft that reaches a fraction of light speed. Imagine the possibilities. What do you think? What should humanity's next fastest spacecraft be? A solar sail gliding on starlight, a fusion-powered rocket, or something even more revolutionary? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a space adventure. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.